you expect this man to sleep if you making all that noise, bro? What's up, DCV fam? Another day at the shop. See what's popping out here. We about to get some rain. See what we got going on up in the shop. See what we tearing up. We got this Challenger on the rack. This thing got banged up. Got Devin, he just ate breakfast, so he poking. So pretty much, as y'all can see, we are changing the quarter pound on this thing. So that's what we at on it. See all this insulation. I mean, these things got so much insulation in them. But Dodge do a good job. They do a good job. So on this Hummer, fixing the hood. So what happened was this fender, well, I'm gonna show y'all this little piece here. It's called the fender on this truck. Well, GM doesn't make them anymore. And I could find a used one online, but all the ones I found was damaged. So I got it at my fabrication department right here. Boy, Edgar is building a... That's the tool, huh?
Perfect.
We are building a fender. That's the best, huh? Yeah, Carbon the best. Look at that. Ooh, that fender was banged up.
Dile, es chiquito, pero tiene el cerebro grande.
Gonna blow his head up, huh? Yeah. He got a big head. Alright, got this thing ceramic coated, looking perfect. Eric, y'all gonna sand and buff this bumper? We can sand and buff it and then put ceramic and then let it sit overnight and then get it to them tomorrow.
Yeah, put in ceramic in the afternoon.
Yeah, in the afternoon. That's cool. Yeah, the ceramic got it shining so good. We do ceramic coating, so hit me up. Y'all want to get that shine, that wet shine. Look cool on right here, you know. What's up, bro?
I'm so tired.
Come on, man, the day just started.
I know. Hopefully, the power goes out.
Niggas just bad on the north side. Look like it's all going that way. You gotta pull that little thing up. Yeah, right here. Pop this one. You gotta kind of do them simultaneously. And then let it all the way down. Yep, just another day here at Dom's Paint and Body. We're having a blast today, as you can see. You gotta love it, huh, Nate?
I love it, bro. Gotta love it.
Let's go see what's going on in Mr. Keith here world. Hey! What you doing, man?
Man, trying to get right, man. Partner trying to hit me up on some wheels.
Come on, man. This thing looking good. Keith, what you doing, Keith?
Trying to edit that her.
Trying to get it right. That's what you call a burnout. You got that, Nate, dog? So it's almost like it's either that the inner needs to come out or something is stopping the outer.
Saying it's like maybe something out here is poking out on it, but I don't.
You probably pulled out too far, so you probably need to come in here and dolly all this part right here and then refit it.
Don't have the car.
That's it. So what we thinking is it could be out a little bit too far right here and maybe here too. Looking good though.
We gonna try.
That's what we're gonna get. Somebody taking a nap on their lunch break. Sleepy. Look at this one in a box. Bro, that's a good little spot to sleep in though. Them boys say they gotta take a nap for their lunch break. Get in front of that fan, you know, that's the best sleep. Laying in front of that fan. Got that boy Edgar brother over there sleeping, boy. Sleeping like a baby, son.
Boy, Edgar had his homemade.
See there, got a homemade little mattress. How you expect him to sleep? Nah, how you expect this man to sleep if you making all that noise, bro? Bro, he woke you up, he making all that noise, you trying to sleep. How somebody supposed to sleep, man? I said, how he supposed to sleep and Matt making all this noise out here, bro? That man trying to take a nap, bro. We can't even sleep on the job with this dude. You got it out of there, huh? Yeah, something's still holding that sucker. It's gotta be the whole inner, that whole inner is still out. Try to make sure ain't got no outies on it. Something holding it from sealing. Cause you good at the bottom, like you perfect right here. And then it widens up. Keep the camera rolling, bro. What, fat boy?
Jubilation, man.
You what?
Rejuvenation.
Oh man.
Energy.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! You gonna need it.
Bad, son.
You gonna need it, man. We need to get this thing in primer today, man. I think it's on the side or somewhere. So y'all, Devin done ate breakfast, lunch.
No, I didn't even know.
Look, hey, well, he went home and took a nap too. So
That's what I had to, bro. I had
today was nap day, so
to. Who else would take a nap?
I'm about to take me one. Jose took a nap. Edgar took a nap right here in the bum cot. Yeah, everybody took a nap. So once I'm done with my work, I'm going to take me a nap. The boss going to take a nap. So y'all don't make a lot of noise. All right, I'm going to let y'all know when I'm taking my nap. I really could take it right now, but I got corporate still here. She ain't going to like that. That's the wife. We got to keep these chains up. Employees only. I still got people that walk right in the shop. Trying to hit me on that slip and fall. I ain't about to have it.